Welcome to day 3 of our Intermediate Pranayama series. Today, we will practice Bhastrika, a powerful technique to invigorate your energy levels and clear your mind. We will combine this with short breath retention or kumbhak to deepen its effects and end with soothing power of Ujjayi breathing. Let's begin by sitting in a comfortable position with a straight spine. Rest your hands on your knees in Gyan or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes gently. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose. Exhale slowly through your nose. Let your mind settle into the present moment. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your nose. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Before we begin Bhastrika, let's warm up with full yogic breathing. Place one hand on your belly and the other hand on your chest. Inhale deeply, expanding your abdomen, chest. Exhale completely, releasing the breath in reverse order from your chest and then abdomen. Let's do this for 3 more breaths. Inhale, abdomen expands, chest expands. Exhale completely from your chest and abdomen. Inhale deep and exhale completely. Inhale deep and exhale completely. Now shift your awareness to your abdomen. Inhale deeply, feeling your belly rise, and exhale fully, letting it fall. Do this for another 3 breaths to prepare for Bhastrika. Inhale, abdomen expands, and exhale completely, abdomen contracts. Inhale deep and exhale completely. That's good. Now we will begin Bhastrika. In this practice, you will inhale and exhale forcefully through your nose, using your diaphragm. The focus is strong, rhythmic breaths. Each round will include active breath, followed by retention. This round we will do 20 strokes. Let's do first round. Sit tall. Begin to inhale, exhale, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now inhale deeply and retain your breath for 5 seconds. That's good. Exhale, gently release, and prepare for second round. Second round. Inhale, Exhale. Remember to focus on the rhythmic pumping from your diaphragm and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now inhale deeply and retain for 8 seconds. That's good. Gently release. Inhale and exhale. Release and relax and prepare for third round. Final round. Inhale, exhale, and begin. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully completely and retain for 10 seconds. That's good. Release, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Sit quietly for a while. To cool down our body, we will practice Ujjayi or the ocean breath. Constrict the back of your throat slightly as you inhale and exhale, creating a soft hissing or oceanic sound. Focus on lengthening your breath. Contract the back of your throat and begin. Inhale and exhale gently through your nose. Inhale and gently exhale through your nose. Inhale and exhale gently through your nose. Inhale and exhale gently through your nose. Now, relax your breath. Place your hands on your knees and observe the stillness within. Notice how your body feels energized yet calm. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, chant Om. Feel the vibration and grounding your energy. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in day 4. Namaskar.